You need to understand that you being bothered by life is a sign that something needs to change inside you so that you can change your life. For instance, if the elements are battering you too much, realize you need to become more creative such that you can invent shelter. Do you see? But you need to first process plain and straight and as it is, and without any other elements added on top, that the elements are fighting me, that the weather is actually bothering me or harming me. And that's the first part. Processing is important because the way to solve a problem is to observe what is causing it and figure out how it is, the way to actually resolve the problem. But should you not be able to figure out what it is because you're over processing or thinking philosophically, thinking too deeply, thinking with biases, thinking culturally, tribally, like if you're thinking with filters, you won't see the problem, and so a solution becomes impossible. You need to actually have the problem as it is so that you can solve it correctly. The reason I point this out is that the human condition, the human mind, is a complex entity. And because it is a complex entity or complex thing or complex mechanism, we complicate things. We complicate things, right? We do something and then we say, oh wow, as a Christian, am I? We do something and we say, oh wow, you know, as a Shona, am I? We do something and then we say, oh, as a staff member at, we think through filters. You put something through enough filters, it's not going to come the same. It's not going to come out the same, it's not going to come out correct. Ever played a game called Broken Telephone? You're putting words through different people. It will never come back the same. It's very difficult for it to come back the same because it is being processed too much. So realize that simplification is a process that you need to also pay attention to. You can overthink it, and because you're overthinking it, never be able to solve the problem. Because what is happening is there's a simple problem and you're making a complex solution.